Hey Dylan and Ben, I just want to let you guys know something that you can do with in terms of video recording or video poetry. There's a river, there's a stream on a golf course that runs near me, and when it rains like it's raining today, it looks really cool just to see the rivers kind of running through the woods and through the streams. So one of the things I did was I went out and I shot a lot of video. I think we're looking at a deer right now because I got distracted. But I shot a lot of video, kind of whittled it down. I actually just threw it all into iMovie instead of cutting out clips. If I could choose to write a poem myself, or I can just sort of say, okay, hey, I shot this video. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go find a poem. So I go and I look for river poems. I find this really cool poem from Walt Whitman, because Whitman needs to be spoken out loud. And so what I could do is I could just cut out all the crap that I've just said beforehand and now just begin from Pent Up Aching Rivers by Walt Whitman. From pent up aching rivers, from that of myself, without which I were nothing. From what I am determined to make illustrious, even if I stand sole among men. From my own voice resonant, singing the phallus, singing the song of procreation, singing the need of superb children and therein superb grown people, singing the muscular urge and the blending, singing the bedfellow's song, oh resistless yearning. Oh, this is kind of getting weird now because, Whitman and all. Anyway, that is a possibility for what it is that you do with the video poetry. Certainly too, you could use any kind of video that you shot and simply kind of find that poem that you have in it, or that's already in it. Shoot contrasts, shoot progressions, shoot all kinds of things that will lend themselves to something that's going to happen in a poetic voice. So there's more video to this, but I am done speaking now, and I hope that you find it useful for your project.